All right, so we might actually tune in. So let's rub our hands together, lift the heart, tuck the chin, roll the eyes in and up to the brow point. And let's still our hands, bring the thumbs to the sternum. Inhale to begin with the Adi mantra. Om Namo Deep breath in. Suspend the breath. If you're not on your moon cycle, mula bandh. Release the lock, exhale. And rest your hands into your lap. While we're in this space, this beautiful vibration of our Adi mantra, our tuning, you may like to open yourself to intentional resolve, remembering that we are doing this meditation on the karmas. And so if there is anything particular that comes to mind for release, harnessing that intention now. Take a deep breath in, breathing out, slowly opening the eyes. All right, so our mantra for this meditation is Wahe Guru 3 times, Wahe Jio. And we do it in a monotone, so Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Jio. Doesn't have to be a particular tone or depth. It can be whatever vibration feels good for you. You might be a higher pitch, as long as you feel that you can comfortably maintain that pitch throughout the meditation. All right, and we time this mantra with our cupped hands and our splashing or cleansing our aura. And so as we chant, it's Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Jio. Remember, we want those arms to come up, or the elbows to come up as high as possible. And that's it. Eyes are closed, no particular drishti. Let's begin. Soften the eyes down, Jalanda Bandh. And start now. Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Jio, 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 Wahe Guru, He Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Jio, He Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Jio, Wahe 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 Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, He Jio, Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe 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 Jio. Deep breath in, lift those elbows as high as you can. Hold the elbows back, exhale. Inhale again, suspend. Exhale, one more time. And exhale, softening the hands down to the knees, relaxing the body. Really feeling into your auric field, the expansion all around your body. Just allowing that sense of purification through water. Take a nice deep breath in. And breathe out as the palms come together, resting the thumbs at the sternum. Gaze stays within. And give yourself a beautiful sacred blessing. So much gratitude. May the long-time sun shine upon you. All love surround you. And the pure light within you guide your way on. Whispering Sat Nam 3 times on your breath. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam. And as you're ready, coming back into the room,